Hey Cocoa Bells, it's Nina here to present to you guys the November COCOTIQUE Beauty subscription box. Now this box is filled to the brim with Reshma Beauty products, and guys, I am stupid excited about this box. Now the November theme is the Reshma Beauty Fall Favorites Takeover, and as always we have a note here from the COCOTIQUE owner, Miss Dana Hill, and she's just introducing us to the Reshma Beauty products, letting us know that all of the products from Reshma Beauty are for all ethnicities, and I love that they're all natural. And now just a cute little rundown of Reshma Beauty while I'm unboxing this beautiful box. Now the founder and CEO is Miss Reshma Beauty, and she created this line, like I said, for all ethnicities. So if you have kinky curly type 4 hair like me, or if you have like type A hair, really fine, long, all that good stuff, Reshma Beauty is definitely for you. And I just love the fact that they're all natural. So let's get into it, guys. So first up, I went on ahead and showed these two products at the same time because they're both the same. I have the 30-minute henna color semi-permanent treatments, one in dark brown, the other in black. And according to the instructions on the back, they last 4 to 6 weeks depending on your hair texture. But I'm just here for the fact that they both condition your hair as well as color them. Next, we have for skin the Multani Mitti Fuller's Face Clay Mask. Now, this is supposed to make your skin all hydrated as well as eliminate any blemishes. They do have specific instructions according to your skin. Like, for example, I have very dry skin, so I would mix this with either milk or yogurt. If you have normal skin, just mix it with water and then follow up with that rose water toner that I'm about to introduce next. We have the Rose Water Toner here from Reshma Beauty. Now, she restores the pH in your skin and helps it maintain its fresh looking appearance. Also, it's a very sweet and light rose scent, and it smells so freaking amazing. Like, you would use this, like I would personally use this after washing my face, after if I want to wake it up a bit. This is definitely a must-have, and I'm so excited that this is in this box. So this is probably one of the products that I'm most excited about, and this is the Henna-Infused oil. Now this is for normal and dry skin and hair, so it's not just for one thing, it's for multiple use. But this oil has 4 types of oils in it. It has cinnamon, olive, almond, clove, and then on top of that it is infused with henna extract. Like I said, this can be used for your skin as well. I'm more excited to probably use this for a hot oil treatment since my scalp has been super itchy. If anything, I'll follow it up with the deep conditioner that they have in here as well. But I am really excited for this product here just because of the oils and just because of the smell. It smells amazing, hydrating for hair and skin. It's everything. Here's another product that I am stupid excited to use. This is the Natural Highlights Henna Hair Color Treatment. I did read up on the back, and it did say that if you have darker hair, it will create like a soft highlight for you, and that's all I really want. I've been wanting to color my hair for a little minute now, and the fact that this is henna, all natural, I'm here for it. Last but not least, we have the Henna-Infused Deep Conditioning Mask. Now, they did say to go ahead and pair this mask with the Henna-Infused oil that I mentioned earlier. Wash day is gonna be lit. Just for the simple fact that I have 2 new products and they both have all natural ingredients in them. And then as you can see on the back, it says intense hydration, noticeable shine, your hair feels softer. Who doesn't want softer hair? And that is it, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed my cute unboxing for the COCOTIQUE November Beauty Box featuring Miss Reshma Beauty. Now, with the COCOTIQUE subscription, you do get 5 to 8 full-size and simple-size hair and beauty products for only $25 a month. You literally can't beat that. And on a personal note, I just want to thank COCOTIQUE for always partnering with authentic and all-natural brands such as Reshma Beauty. Henna is literally nature's best kept secret. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, just spam me, hit me up. I'm always available. Until next time, bye.